Hello lovelies, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing fine. In today's video, I share with you this pattern pleasing Ghanaian vegetable salad, one of my favorites. If you are new to my channel, this is Getty Cooks. I share easy recipes on this channel. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so these are my vegetables. I have already washed all of them off camera. So I have some lettuce, cabbage, cucumber, tomatoes, green bell pepper, onions. So I'm going to prep all the vegetables. So the one I'm starting with is the lettuce. So you can either use your hand to tear them or just cut them anyhow you do it. Totally depends on you. So while this is going on, I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. God richly bless you. And my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing and God bless you too. So as you can see, I went ahead to arrange them on a paper towel to get rid of the excess water. So I'll just continue with my prepping of the other ingredients. So you can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on YouTube Short, Instagram, TikTok, and the name is Get Cooked. It is also free. If you are still enjoying the video up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and share this video among your friends. So with the cucumber, I went ahead to peel some of the skin, and I also did not peel some. So anyhow you do it, depends on you. I also remove all the seed from the cucumber. Okay, so all the vegetables are nicely prepped. So I have my baked bean sardine mayonnaise also set aside, which I'll be using. Okay fam, so this is my bowl and I'll begin with the lettuce, and there's no formulas to whether which one goes in first, okay, but mostly we start with the lettuce, then go in with the cabbage before the other ingredients will be added. Okay, fine. So now that we are done with the first layer, we will rearrange the vegetables again, and this time around I will top it with some mayonnaise and the ketchup. So feel free to add any vegetables, or if you don't want a, any of the vegetables, you can still omit it. Okay guys, so this is our salad looking so good and perfect, and also ready to be enjoyed. You can combine this with your waakye, plain rice, jollof, just name it. Or you can enjoy this just like that, or use it to make sandwich. This is how Ghanaians make their salad. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till I come your way again, see you in my next video.